Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by ensuring Docker and Kubectl are installed and working. This gives you the runtime and client. Once done, pick a local orchestrator. Minikube for single-node convenience or Kind for Docker-backed clusters. Start the chosen tool with explicit resource flags so the cluster has enough CPU and RAM. Make sure your shell has access to Kubectl after start. The tool usually updates kubeconfig automatically, which is needed for control plane communication. Once the cluster is running, switch context to the new cluster and validate control plane endpoints. Then deploy core add-ons, DNS, storage class, and ingress so services can resolve and reach applications. If using Kind, load any locally built images into the nodes. With Minikube, you can build inside Minikube or push images. Next, create a deployment and service manifest and apply it. This verifies scheduling, image pulls, and service connectivity in your local environment. You finish by validating that nodes are ready and pods are running. Use Kubectl logs and describe to inspect issues. Then expose the service via port forward or ingress and curl the endpoint to confirm responses. If something fails, restart the local cluster, check container runtime status, and confirm kubeconfig points to the right context. A key troubleshooting tip: if pods stay in crash loop, back off, run Kubectl logs and check environment variables, image tags, and mount paths to quickly find the misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.